video must be seeing. The weather is usually cool time of winter, but forest is heating up. An active volcano has emerged. We can hardly... I knew it! The volcano map! Oh my god! No way! No! No way! No way! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I'm gonna die. Jeez, this is actually real. Oh my god. Guys! Oh yeah, let's go and inspect it. Wait. Why did I check it? I was supposed to do the cosmetic. Okay, yeah, cosmetics.
Whoa! Look, I'm being shot. It's cool. Didn't you see the
Cool.
fire? Didn't you see the fire? No. Who is that? What's that?
What's this?
Oh
my god!
In the
How?
Hey, look, cool. Can you see the fire?
What? Oh yeah, I see. I do see it. I don't like these.
If you want to play, go check out there. I'm gonna go check out the map.
Yeah, same. I like this. We gotta do it.
I'm gonna go to fourth.
Lava. I wonder.
Guys, I'm going to see the new map. I'm going to see the new map. There's no new map. I think this is the map.
Yeah, this is the... Oh! There's coal?
Oh.
I didn't realize this.
Where's the new map?
Put it in.
No more lava.
Put it in. Oh god. Run.
You made a big mistake. I'm going to... Oh wait, guys.
Dude. So much lava. Dude. Doug. Guys, save Doug. Purple. Purple. No. Grab on. Purple, grab on. Dude, I like the shading.
We need to find. There's a new map. This is important.
Get in. Guys.
Guys, it's dumb.
Get in. This actually looks like a modded version. Get it. Get off.
Guys, I'm sick to touch a lot of these special gloves on.
Okay.
Listen to me.
Party hat.
Me, monkeys. Monkey, I need to tell you something interesting. Look, whenever I touch it, it gives me the overwhelming urge to like start touching it. Just like it tells me to
Party hat. Party hat.
No,
I'm diving in.
Listen.
Okay, yeah, I'm not diving in.
Whenever I get close to the water, it gives me an over...
Oh wait, yeah, it's from the game. Wait, I'm gonna do that.
Monkey! He's dead. Monkey, whenever I touch the lava, it gives me the overwhelming urge to start splashing it on others and start tagging people.
Same.
When I touch it, some lava monkey just tried to...
I'm doing this on infection, guys. See ya. Infection. Oh! What? Why did I just... Guys, why did I start into lava?
Yo, guys, I just
go on to the tag and the game updated.
Yeah, it's level now.
Yeah, no,
It actually suits not monkeys.
this
Yeah.
is cool.
It's cool, right?
Okay, the game is getting too long.
I think the game is getting too hard.
It looks like graphics. The graphics look way better.
Wow.
I mean, we're lava monkeys. We can touch the lava. Lava monkey. Dive in. Ooh, you get tagged when you get the lava. Dude. So you get tagged when you get...
Hey guys.
Okay. Okay.
Real attack is so good.
Guys, don't touch the lava.
Why y'all lava? If you're a lava monkey,
Don't touch the lava.
how's that? Oh my gosh.
Oh, frick. No.
Rising up. Oh my gosh. This is the first one. If I touch the lava, I'm gonna become lava. I want to
Lava monkey. No, lava me. Yes. Guys, fill it in coal. Fill it in coal. Fill it in coal. Fill it in coal. Guys, fill it in coal. Fill it in coal.
It cools down.
Fill it in coal.
Fast enough, it cools down.
Fill it in coal.
It's not erupted yet.
Guys, we gotta fill it in with coal.
It's about to erupt though.
It's shiny rocks.
It's shiny rocks.
One more. One more.
Oh god, go. It's erupting. It's erupting. Okay. Yeah.
Oh shoot. Oh no.
Maybe I should have gone on the trees. Alright, we got this.
Have you seen the cosmetics?
Yeah,
Have you
it's
guys
pretty
seen the
cool.
cosmetics?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I know. Did you get the free badge? The one I'm wearing right now? The free
Ah.
badge that I'm wearing?
I want to have it. Hold up. Oh. I'm gonna go check the badge, free badge. Yeah. Love monkey. Guys, I think I'm stuck. Yeah, I'm not stuck. Oh, you infected. Like mine.
What the heck?
Yep, let me get the thingy.
Mr. Krabs. Come.
Yep.
Decode is my name.
Wait, let me. Okay, guys, let's go.
Please, can I have?
Yeah. Wait, before. Yep. Great.
If he touches
Great
the lava,
day.
you're gay. The lava is gay. If he touches the lava, you're gay. Stop him now.
Wait, if you touch the lava, you're infected.
Dang, Monkey Man got dead.
If you touch the lava, you're infected.
Kidding me? This is just unfair.
Don't like be tagged in the lava.
Bro, who just touched me? Wait,
Yeah. What? GG's.
Yo, why?
It's time. The lava. Wait, I want to see the volcano. Oh. I got shiny rocks. Guys, I got shiny rocks. Hey guys, I got shiny rocks. I forgot you could throw them. But yeah. Wait, guys, fill it up. Fill it up. Guys, fill it up with the rocks. This is how to spawn it. It's spawning. Yep, it's spawning. Rise. Lava, rise. Oh god. Hey dude, what you doing?
Hey guys, it's kind of getting hot.
Yeah, it's kind of getting hot here.
Stuck on here.
Yeah. Why when I first touch the lava, the game ends and now I'm gonna become lava, yes. Let me get some shiny rocks. Guys, I got shiny rocks. What are you gonna do? Never mind, he's good. It sounds like water, but lava. Never. I want to go on Stomp.
Hey guys, do you think that is this in every map? Is this in every map?
What?
No, this isn't.
You guys have tag lag.
This isn't. Oh, I thought everyone's gonna play first, though. Yo,
Tag lag.
why are you it? Oh, no. No, why? Why do you not have to be it?
Come here, White.
Please,
Why is that? Why is the red walls like that?
You want to stay?
I'm staying
Wait,
here.
you touch the red wall? Does that make you lava?
No, it's just a reflection. Oh frick.
But why is it?
Don't do it, or I'll put it down to some lava. I'll put it down.
Oh, I can't.
Little pea. That's scary.
Why? I'm about to tickle you.
Hey.
Nuh-uh.